Hey guys, today I'll be reviewing the Fiio Jade Audio JA11. So this is a very budget dongle DAC launched by Fiio, their sister brand Jade Audio, and so yeah, that cost around $15, but sometimes available for as low as $9.90. So this is a review unit sent in by Fiio. Please do check them below the like button. Those are all unaffiliated links, but all the thoughts and opinions you're about to hear are my own. So as you can see, I have this doesn't come this wire protector. This is something which I have done, but what I can say, the price itself I think so speaks for it. $15, which is MSRP, and you can get it for as low as $10 during some sale. And also they are very small, compact. I think so this is an upgrade to the Apple dongle in my opinion. The overall sound I can say is neutral, with a tad bit of the brightness on the top end. So for example, when I'm listening to my Lecture S15, it did power it without any issues, surprisingly, although I did have to crank the volume a lot, but there was a tad bit of brightness with the Lecture S15. I noticed that with the Lecture Cadenza 4 and also other IMs, so it's a very minor change. Other than that, it stays relatively neutral. There is no issues with that. But what the Fiio Jade Audio JA11 has at around $15 or $10 is that it has access to the Fiio app, which I didn't think was possible, because I didn't think Fiio would do that. Because if you remember in my Fiio K11 review, which I have also done, it's a $30 dongle from Fiio. It has access to the app. You can access the everything, but this too has that feature. So you can access the PEQ feature, you can access the UAC feature, you can access the internal volume. So for $15, I think so this is really good. It's a fantastic dongle DAC. I think so Fiio did a great job over here, and that access to the app is also really good. Also, I didn't hear any hiss or anything like that. Nothing like that. The background was very clean, and it has 60 volume steps which you can control using the app. Also, one more thing which I forgot to say is that it has support for mic control. That is really good, because when I reviewed the Fiio K11 or any other dongle DAC for that matter, many people do ask me, does it have support for mic? No dongle DAC, especially the expensive ones, they do not have support for mic. If you need something, a good IM for your mic call, and you want a support for DAC too, I think so the Fiio Jade Audio J11 is the only option I can think of, especially at this price. For the price, I really can't find any fault. Maybe yeah, I don't know, I can't find any fault, to be honest. Yeah, it's not the most powerful. Yeah, obviously it has only 60 milliwatts of power, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, that's the only thing. No, sorry, 30 milliwatts of power at 32 ohms. So it's not the most powerful dongle, but hey, it's only $15. That's my review of the Fiio Jade Audio J11. If you have any questions, please do comment below and ask. I'll try to help you out. 94% of the people watching this video aren't subscribed, so I would really appreciate if you could like and subscribe. That really helps me out a lot. And yeah, I hope you have a great day ahead. Bye.